In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Microsoft Teams with Google Calendar. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening your preferred browser and navigating to calendar.google.com, which brings you to your Google Calendar dashboard. On the right side panel of the calendar, look for the small plus icon labeled Get Add-ons and click it to open the Google Workspace Marketplace. This is where you can add functionality to your calendar and connect external services. In the Marketplace search bar, type Microsoft Teams Meetings and press Enter to find the official integration. Locate the add-on from Microsoft in the search results and select it. Once you have the add-on page open, click Install and follow any prompts that appear. You may need to grant permission for the add-on to access your calendar, so take a moment to review those permissions before confirming. After the installation completes, a new Microsoft Teams icon will appear on the right side panel of your Google Calendar. Click that icon to begin linking the two services. When prompted, choose Sign In and enter the credentials for the Microsoft Teams account you want to connect, then complete the sign-in flow. If your organization uses single sign-on or has administrator controls, you might see an additional approval screen, in which case follow the prompts provided by your organization. With the accounts linked, creating meetings becomes straightforward. When you create a new event in Google Calendar, you will now see an option to add a Microsoft Teams meeting link directly within the event details. Select that option to generate the Teams meeting URL automatically, and the link will be added to the event description so guests can join with one click. A few practical tips to make this process smoother include refreshing the calendar page if the new icon does not appear immediately, ensuring you are signed into the correct Google and Microsoft accounts when linking, and checking that pop-ups and third-party cookies are allowed for the sign-in flow. If your Google Workspace administrator restricts add-ons, request approval from your admin before installing. Finally, test the integration by creating a short test event and verifying that the Teams link opens correctly from both the calendar entry and the invite email. This integration saves time and keeps meetings organized, letting you schedule and join Teams calls directly from Google Calendar without switching